If you want to learn how to create amazing granny squares like this, listen up.
So we start with all of these symbols, but what on earth does any of this mean? I'm going to show you. The first thing we do is we start here. Start here. So you can see we've got a chain stitch. So a chain stitch looks like this in a visual pattern. It's kind of like an oval or an oblong. So we can see we start here with a chain stitch. So this is number 1. Then we do another chain stitch because we're going round like this. So we start with one chain stitch, another chain stitch, and another chain stitch, and another. So we do 4 chain stitches. So that looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then from the second row, you're going to start crocheting into this circle. But before that, we have this black dot right here, and that is a slip stitch. So I'll just show you here. Slip stitch. So what we're doing is we do 4 chain stitches and then we connect this chain stitch to the first chain stitch through the slip stitch. So that's our very first start. Then we're moving up, and to move up we need to create 3 chain stitches. Okay, so 3 chain stitches gives us the height of these. This is a double crochet. So this will give us 3 chain stitches to give us the height of the double crochet. But to create the shape that we want going round, we're going to do a total of 5 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's because we want to get a bit more shape before we start doing our double crochets. So we'll do 5 chain stitches and then we'll do 3 double crochets. And you're probably thinking from the pattern that we go into this chain stitch, but unfortunately that's not correct. We do our double crochets into the center of the circle. So this second row, we work all of our stitches into this circle and we ignore the chain stitches. So we do 3 double crochets and then we do 2 more chains. And we just keep going with that pattern all the way around. 3 double crochets, 2 chains, 3 double crochets, 2 chains, until we get to the point where we need to reconnect. And now we just do 2 double crochets. And the reason for that is because we already have a stitch here, and that's the height of the double crochet. And so we've actually got 3 double crochets or equivalents in this last section. So instead of doing 3 double crochets here, we just do 2. So you can see 1, 2, and then we join, because we've got that slip stitch, the black dot, into this 3rd chain of the first row. So that is how you would create the start of a granny square pattern. I'm going to do more videos on this, so if you like it, make sure you follow and make sure you comment. Thank you so much.